The management of L&T Tech with us now, Mr. Panda, on really the kind of growth that they've seen in Q3. Mr. Panda, do you feel this can be sustained in the next fiscal? What's the guidance going forward, and what are some of the early indications that you're seeing?
It's like this. Growth was very strong. As you know, three of our verticals like plant engineering, medical, and transportation has grown 20% year on year. And so one thing, positive side, if you see medical devices grown 50% year on year. Okay, so I think this is we are very excited about that. In addition to that, there are always two parameters I look at it. How does digital and new age technology is doing? And that also has grown 29% year on year. And quarter three is 41% of the revenue. About the guidance, I've already talked about the guidance last time, and we have said we continue to maintain the guidance at this time. Whatever we have said, those guidance will meet. FY21, as far as FY21 is concerned, I think we are working on it. And today, I think maybe in quarter four result when we come, and we'll have that little more visibility, and we'll be able to do that. But the number of deals we own with different segment, and we announced that the number of deals we own, and 9 deals we own this quarter three, and our winning number of deals we own in quarter three is more than in quarter two and more than quarter one. So the revenue total value of the deal we own in quarter three is more than quarter two, and we believe that trend to continue beyond this. So about the percentage growth in FY21, we will have more visibility once we come to quarter four.
Okay, what's the outlook on the transport vertical? Do you see the contribution going up in the coming quarters?
Of course, I think that the deal we own, I did talk about 2 deals, 30 million plus. One of them comes from transportation. It all depends on how quickly we can staff people and how quickly we can start the business and what contribution is going to come. But I'm very sure about the growth, that the percentage, what is going to continue beyond, that's something we are working on right now. But I'm bullish about all the segment, the order we have today and the order we are working on right now. But I think it looks very positive. I think one more point I want to make, though, we are doing engineering services, right? Engineering and technology. VLSI is an area which is a very strong area for us, and that's a big segment. Today, the chip is used in multiple areas. Whether you talk about medical, it's used in automotive and so on. We got an order end-to-end VLSI chip design. This is for semi and media companies. So I think this is again our vision of investing in VLSI company. Semiconductor side is doing very, very well. And medical, using artificial intelligence in different areas, and we have been working on multiple areas. One is artificial intelligence application in healthcare area, and artificial intelligence application into the agriculture segment. So a lot of exciting technology things we are doing right now, and I believe that's going to be our biggest differentiator moving forward, and that's a very positive movement in the company.
All right, now your EBIT margins, they've expanded by 30 basis points. Do you think we could see further expansion going forward, and what would be the levers available for growth?
See, the levers in services business, what was there earlier and today is different. The new technology has changed the game completely. And there are multiple levers. So multiple levers always, how can we do more work with less number of employees? Applying the technology. Can you do that? So I think that's where the multiple levers, we can work about every segment. We have different levers. Levers used for medical could be different from industrial. It could be different for telecom and semiconductor segment. So every time we work on segment, I would be able to talk more about it, I think, when we progress. But things are all in control.
And give us some color on the deal wins during the quarter. Do you think that we can see this run rate continue, or do we see a substantial jump? What are the deals in the pipeline?
See, 9 deals we own, that's what we announced to the market. And those 9 deals also, we say 2 of them is about 30 million TCV. And that we very clearly said. And these 9 deals we own, again, distribute different segment and different geography. So it covers that, not into one segment or one geography. So that's a very positive movement. And moving forward, whether this run rate is going to continue, I think that's our you can do. We have given a guidance of 10% for year-on-year this year, and we are working towards that and making sure that we will deliver that. Again, what I said last quarter, that year-on-year growth of 10% revenue, I'm repeating that again, and we are very positive about meeting that number.
What's your outlook on semiconductor demand, ER&D sourcing? Do you see digital leading-edge technologies to continue to be growth drivers?
Let me clarify that. ER&D is engineering R&D spend, right? That's a segment completely. How much my customers spend on engineering segment, R&D segment, right? Total number. What you are reading, 41% there, that is the digital and newest technology, right? And today, the products which were there earlier, they're making smart products. Then Industry 4.0 or 4.x people talk about, you must be hearing about. And, today, artificial intelligence, can you use it for a chest X-ray? Can you, find out the diseases a person can have in future? And you must have seen a lot more articles coming on that. We are into that. And can I use technology in the agriculture segment to find out, the weed control? Can we do that, soil quality? Can I do that, any disease in the plant? How do you use technology there? So I think there are multiple things being worked out. So I would be more and more looking at it, this technology area investment and doing that. Then question will you ask about, how relevant I'm going to be the next year, the next 2 years. So I think with that's where we are focusing on. And we are giving guidance, I think revenue guidance, and we always look at it operationally. We did well. We also look at it, what are the levers available so that we continue the guidance and beyond. So that's something which is our objective, main objective.
Thank you, Mr. Panda, for joining us on that.